Hi my loves, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here with me today. Today I thought it'd be fun and break down some of my most reach for summer makeup and skincare. I also have a new sunscreen for you. So if you want to know more about that, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. All right, I kind of have like this 80s, 90s vibe, 90s totally vibe going on right now. I'm kind of living for it. I have been going between a very natural, fresh-faced look and then something more like this. Honestly, this has taken me like 5 seconds to do. It's not that big a deal. But little bolder brows, that fun stuff. I'm also trying a new foundation today. It's totally the wrong color, but I will be doing a foundation Friday on it, and I will let you know how I feel about it. All right, so let's break down some of my top favorite summer go-to products that I have been just using nonstop. First of all being, where are you? Oh, this. This is the COSRX Galactomites 95 Tone Balancing Essence. Now listen, this is not replacing my Tatcha essence. Let's just be clear. This has just been something though that I have been reaching for and using for the last 2 months, I would say. I love this. This is perfect for all skin types. If you are more dry or dehydrated, it's great to layer with another essence if you want to. But since where I live, yes, it's an arid climate. It's very high in altitude, so it has a tendency to be drier, but I'm not finding it to be extremely dry. I'll just be very honest with you. There is quite a bit of humidity in the air here in Colorado, so I've been really backing up on the layers and the consistency in my skincare in the AM, not the PM, but the AM. Really making sure that those layers are really light. They absorb very, very quickly. So I've been really gravitating towards this. It's a great price point and I love it. If you are oily skin type 2 and you have not found an essence that you like, this is a good one to reach for. Now, this is something I've been using for the past, I'd say a couple of weeks. To be honest with you. It is the SUPERGOOP Zinc Sunscreen, 100% mineral lotion. We know SUPERGOOP is a cruelty-free company. It's SPF 40 and it is reef safe, which I absolutely love because we really need to talk about sustainability when we talk about SPF. The same for the REN SPF as well. This is non-irritating, no synthetic fragrances, and it's vegan. And it comes out, I have to show you, okay, so it comes out in like a skin tone color, and then you put it into the skin. Okay, this is 100% mineral sunscreen. It's gone. If you are of deeper skin tone, can you let me know if you've used this? I just find that this would not leave a white cast on you. I've never dealt with anything like this. They also have a clear one that I can't wait to try, but I don't think it's mineral. This is gorgeous. I've really been enjoying this. I have been using exclusively for the past couple of weeks and love it. So I love it. It's great. And it's not, there's no tint to it. It does come out in that kind of like it's flesh tone color, but it does not leave a tint to the skin. So it's not like being covered up by the zinc, but I'm assuming that's why they put that little tint in there, is because it's trying to mask the zinc, but I just don't have any white cast on it. I've been using the Australian Gold sunscreen, and it's cool, but it does leave a white cast on the skin, at least the one I used, it's tinted one, so I've been gravitating towards this. Love it, okay? Other sunscreen you've heard me talk about a million times, I'm just gonna say it because I use it all the time, is the JOSIE MARAN Tinted SPF 47. Love this. That's more for a glow. I have this on today. That's what I have on, okay? Now, when we talk about primers for the summer, you guys, it changes with me where I live, my age, how well I've been taking care of my skin, how well I've been eating. But recently, over the past several months, I have been using a primer every once in a while, and I've sometimes been multi-primering. So what I'll do is I will use like a glowy primer on the perimeter, and then the Ren Perfect Canvas down the middle. It's a silicone-free, it's a pretty like non-toxic green formula. I've used this for a long time. This is like my 3rd bottle, but I've been gravitating towards this. It's very lightweight. Again, you guys, this is the whole theme of everything, is it's so lightweight. Okay, so I've been using that. Love it. Now, I've been using a really lightweight moisturizer as well. I just totally forgot to bring it down. I've been using, I'll put a picture up, but the Amore Pacific Fluid Moisturizer. I don't know why I'm gravitating towards that, but I have been gravitating towards that. I've been gravitating towards the Tatcha Water Cream. And then I've also been trying this over the past week, and this is beautiful. This is by a company called CODEX, and it is called their Day Cream, and it is extremely lightweight. Very, very lightweight. It comes out like this, and then it goes right into the skin. So it's been great prep for makeup. That's kind of what I've been really loving about it. Has no scent to it. I mean, it smells like fresh, you know? And it's really beautiful. I don't know much about the company, but they did send this to me recently, and I have been using it, and I really enjoyed this. So it's a really nice lightweight moisturizer, but that has been something that I've been gravitating towards as well. Okay, now for foundation, I haven't really been using the same foundation every single day, except for the one I just talked about, which, well, I won't talk about for very long, which is the Clee CCC cream. I've been using a tinted moisturizer a lot more, or watery based foundations, but I will have to tell you, you guys, my video I did on the powder foundation for sweat-proof makeup, if you guys have not seen it, it was just like a week and a half ago. Go watch it. It's super fun. I never gravitated towards powder foundations, and you all pushed me out of my comfort zone, and I am so happy because when I'm in a rush in the morning, this bad boy goes on all over my face, and I love it. This is the Well People Bio Base Baked Foundation in number 2. I can't tell you, I have it on right now. I have it on over my foundation. This is also what I've been doing. You guys, it changes with me. It really does. I like to experiment with makeup. This is a beautiful brand that I buy mine at Target. It is so easy. It gives a light to medium coverage. You can also put another powder over it if you really want to. You don't need to, but I have been using this all the time. Love that. So when I don't use a powder foundation though, like when I use more of a tinted moisturizer, I have been gravitating towards cream blushes, obviously, because you know I'm obsessed. And if you watch that video, I actually showed you how to create your own cream eyeshadow. You can do the same thing for blush. But I've been really enjoying the NYX or the NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Cheek Balm or Cheek Tint, and this one is in Creative Cleanse. It is gorgeous. Again, I used this in a video recently as well, and I've just become really hooked. It looks very bright, but then you kind of push it into the skin, and it just gives you the most beautiful flush and glow. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, speaking of creams, I always gravitate towards cream eyeshadows in the summer, pretty much all year round, but I do gravitate towards them more in the summer because I feel like makeup is lighter and more approachable and more fresh looking. This is a staple in my personal kit. I will not go without it. I have another one sitting in my drawer because I'm afraid they're going to discontinue it. It is by REVLON, and it is the COLORSTAY Cream Eyeshadow. And I've used this, I have it on right now, by the way, but I have used this in quite a few tutorials. It is my favorite color. It is a cool tone brown with a little bit of purple in it, you can see. And you can really build it up in pigmentation if you want to, but this is like a light wash. I'm obsessed. I love this color. These are really great, affordable cream eyeshadows, you guys. You can't really beat them. They're really great dupes for the Charlotte Tilbury ones. Of course, they're not as pigmented or creamy, but they are just so great, and they stay all day long. So again, perfect for summer. I also have been loving the ones by Sephora. I forgot that I even had these. This is the Colorful Shadow and Liner, and this is the waterproof. I have them in a lot of different colors. So this one is in brown or 7, and I'll show you. It's just a really beautiful, basic, kind of sparkly brown, and it's super easy to just spread all over the lid and then use your finger and tap it around. It's gorge, and they have great colors, and I think this is like $14 or $10 or something inexpensive. I'll put it all below. All right. You know me, I don't usually use waterproof mascara, but since I got this in the mail in PR, I've been using it pretty exclusively because it doesn't flake. It doesn't make my eyelashes feel like heavy It's not crunchy, they're still flexible. This is the Perversion Mascara in Waterproof Formula by Urban Decay. It's a really beautiful mascara, and I have it on again today. So I've been using this, and I don't use waterproof mascaras. It's crazy, but I really enjoy this one a lot. All right, so for the lips, I really have been using this one every single day. This is by Beauty Counter, and this is in Praline. It is a lip gloss, and I will actually put it over the lip I have on right now. It's minty. It's really minty and beautiful. Very kind of nice high shine to it. I have been using it by itself a lot, so I'll just slap this on and run out the door. It has like this kind of refreshing kind of scent to it as well. It's very kind of minty, and it just looks really pretty. It actually would be beautiful on deeper skin tones over like a lip liner, like a deeper lip liner. It's gorgeous. Definitely giving me like my high school vibes. I used to wear this color in high school nonstop because my mom wears this color. But yeah, so that is what I've been gravitating towards. I've really been kind of keeping it as minimal as possible. And again, it's just those light layers of skincare have really allowed me, in my opinion, to be more quick in the morning, as well as allow makeup to lay as closely to the surface as possible. And I hope that you enjoyed this little roundup of products that I have been enjoying for this summer season, because summer is already half over. I'm so bummed about it, but that's okay, because that means I get to enjoy snow in Colorado. So I hope y'all are having a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.